doing a bit of carping this time. I've only got one rod out, because my Bart alarm on my other rods ran out of battery, so I'm going to order some more batteries for that when I get in. But so we've just got the one rod out, constantly getting liners already. I'm just using some maggots, ground bait, split boilie, and some pallet, just in a mix, and then just chucking that over the spot. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I have to report so far. We haven't had anything yet, but I'll sure to give you an update if we do. Seem better on the bank with some pasta cooking. Rods are out, or should I say rod in this case, but no yet fish, and that would just top it off. Weather's good as well, so come on. Right, so a quick tip for days like this, where the sun's out, it's quite hot. Get a tub, get some water, and just make sure you're keeping your unhooking mat nice and wet, so that the fish are nice and comfortable. And obviously the sun's not getting at them. I certainly can't say I'm disappointed with that, to be fair, for the first proper meal on the bank. Don't think that's bad. Now I'm just going to see if I can creep up on this little carp that's basking in my spot. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, but it's just there. You can just about see him in the camera lens. Don't know if he'll let me creep up on him. There, he's just there. About focus. He's just there. He's quite a decent one. So hats off, jumpers off, coats off. It's absolutely boiling out here. I just had a chub. I thought it was a carp because my rod went flying, and there's must have been about 10 fish in the last 5 minutes, carp, that are literally just cruising past me. The face is out the water, so I'm unsure on what to really do, as they might not be interested with being on the top. I'm going to stick with it for a bit. If it doesn't work, then I'll just have to try something else, I guess. But let's hope we can actually get a carp. Come on. On my carp rod, he's got a massive mouth. He's actually quite decent. He took a 15mm pop up.
16.
No, 15. Oh, they're 16.
Yeah.
Oh, 16. Yeah, 16mm pop up. Yeah, I thought it was a carp. He fought that hard. But yeah, it's a nice little fish. Nice one. So this is what we've been waiting for all day. He's finally come and got it. He's a little bit battered. He's probably quite old, but all counts. Get in. Nice little common. £5. Off he goes. Right, so we're gonna do. I'm gonna try and catch fish in maybe under a minute if I can. So I've just got inline method feeder. I've got 3 maggots on there, and then just squeezing some Robin Red ground bait round it with some micropellet in it. Just fishing quite short. Let's see if we can get one quite quick. That'll be good timing.
So just started the clock, and we're on. Bit of a bigger one, isn't it?
I don't know if it's bigger, but it's definitely fighting harder. There we go.
So
Under a minute. Furnace. Quick look at what he is. I'm guessing it's going to be a little less one. So we just had a little comment from Oscar's feeder rod. And to be fair, I'm not sure if it is a common or a little, well, a big F1. I think it might be baby common, but yeah, he's a decent size on double maggot again.